Hey friends, so today I want to show you what I have made yesterday. This is the headphone cover, this one, and it's very easy because I only use double crochet stitch. I want to make something that easy to make and fast project. I actually made this within 20 minutes. Well, first I was thinking how to do it and how can I actually be able, because this one is JBL, this headphone is from JBL, and it's kind of, I will show you. Okay, I will show you this side. It's to charge the battery when it's off, you need to turn this part like that, you see? And I was like, how to do that I can still charge my battery, you know? So I come up with this simple design, just double crochet, and you can just take, like I just show you now, take the cover out and you can just put it back, you see? And then it stay hold up again, very good. The reason I use this yarn because I think it's pretty, don't you think? It's like glitter, and I have a lot laying around. It's come from the project I make. Over here I did the cardigan with this yarn and I kind of like it, and also it's worked up pretty fast. And like I said, since I use double crochet stitch, I then want to use the yarn that kind of stand out like that. Don't you think it's cute? So yeah, if you make this or any tutorial that follow from my video or follow from my pattern, please post your progress, your result on your Instagram. You can also follow me here, and I would love to see your work and to share with our community what you have made. And also, most of all, it's making me so happy to see you recreate what I have created. And yeah, it's like showing me, you know, giving me a sign that you love what I do and you want to learn more from me. So please don't be shy, share your process on your story or your feed on IG and tag me. Alright, let's get into the tutorial. In this project, I'm using this yarn, and this is Miss Sparkle. I am making the headphone cover on JBL. So this is a round thing. You can use the same stitch to do for any headphone cover. And this is so easy. I just use double crochet for this project, and I think it looks beautiful because the yarn itself is so beautiful. Use hook, 6mm hook. You need a pair of scissors and a yarn needle. We start with a magic ring, and this is how we do the magic ring. You put the yarn on your palm like so, this, and like that. You cross it, and now you see this little ring. You just take the yarn. It's almost like when you do slip knot, but you're not closing the loop yet. Now you put the hook there, and here is the magic ring. Here we're gonna chain 3, and now we're gonna add 14 double crochet into the ring. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, wait, I want to close the ring a little bit. So you just pull the tail to close the ring. Okay, oops, don't want to completely close. Okay, 12, 13, 14. All right, now we can close completely the ring by pulling this one. Okay, and after you have 14 double crochet, we're gonna close this round with slip stitch into the chain 3, which is here, the third chain, this one, slip stitch. All right, and then the next round 2, we chain 3, and now we're going to the next stitch, next double crochet, 1, and then the next one, 2, and then the third double crochet, the third stitch, we're going to add 2 double crochet in there. We are increasing. And already, and then the next one. And now again, we're going to add 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. 1, 2, and then the next one, we add 2 double crochet in there. Now we're gonna add 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. And then the next one, we add 2 double crochet in there. And again, 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Then the next one, we add 2 double crochet in there. Then the next one, 1 double crochet. Also the next one, 1 double crochet. Now we're done. Now we're just going to finish this round 2 with slip stitch into that chain 3 in the third chain. Right? Should have something like this. Chain 3, build up the yarn, and now we're just gonna add 1 double crochet in each stitch across. Alright, we are finished. I just made 18 double crochet. Now we're gonna slip stitch into the third chain, the beginning chain. So it's kind of like making, you can also like making a curve. You can also take your headphone and try on if it's good enough. For me now it's good. I'm gonna make one last round, and yeah, I just need one more round. Okay, so the next round, the last one, is similar to round 3, but we're gonna stop 3 stitches before we end. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. Chain 3 to build up the yarn. Now again, 1 double crochet, I think in each stitch. In the 15 double crochet you will have to make, because you're gonna stop 3 stitches before. I'm getting excited because I wanna go out quickly for a walk, and I wanna have my headphone with me, and it's getting That's why I'm in the hurry. So let me look first. 1, 2, 3. This is the third one. So actually you don't need stitch marker, but I'm just gonna put it. You can just count, but in this case I have next to me, but you just really don't need it. You just do 15 double crochet instead of 18. Alright, one more. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now we're gonna put it on our headphone. You want this to be on the top here because this is where you stop the 3 stitches, because we have this, I don't know how to say this, because we're gonna go around this thing. Yeah, so here, something like this. And now what you do is you're just gonna go there, poke the hook into a available space, which is here. I think I'm going to put the yarn through here. Yeah, like that. Because we're going to need, poke the hook here. Take the yarn. Yeah. Like that. And now chain 1. Make sure to hold it tight, like really this thing should snug into your headphone very good. Like that, like make it tight. Now you're going to this one, better put it inside the tail. Okay, now you're going to chain 1, and cut the yarn. Now we're gonna use this yarn needle to sew in the tail. And I think it's good enough, so I'm just gonna cut here. And that's it. Now you have made your cute headphone cover. I love it. What do you think about this project? Let me know in the comment below. Should we also make this part? Let me know. If you want, I'm gonna make another video showing you how to make this one. Alright. See you in the next one. Bye bye.